How to create account in Airbnb. Airbnb allows you to book short-term accommodations like private apartments, hotels, or rooms. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. So first thing first, open Airbnb app. If you don't have Airbnb app installed, you can do it via any web browsers. So simply open any web browser and then search for Airbnb. Once you open it, here you will see this option login or sign up, and on bottom of your screen you will see this option to continue with Google. So tap on it and then select the Google account which you want to use to create your Airbnb account. And then here you will see this form to create an account. So most of the details are pre-filled. If you want to change those, you can simply tap on it, erase it, and then type the new one. And then simply fill in your date of birth and then agree to terms and condition. Again tap on agree and continue. And there you go. This is how you can create account on Airbnb. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.